Hey guys, welcome to Tracie's Place. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you my spring decor, or rather summer decor because it's summer now. We got a late start, but I wanted to show you our Erommy Gazebo, more specifically our Erommy hardtop patio gazebo. We purchased the 12 by 14 Erommy Gazebo for our backyard, and it fits perfectly on our 18 by 20 concrete patio. We actually purchased this gazebo last year and just in time for the fall gazebo decor video that I made. So do go check that out along with the video my husband and I made for our 12 by 14 Erommy gazebo setup. If you purchase the gazebo, follow along with our video for an easy and seamless experience. We couldn't find a great setup video to follow ourselves, so we wanted to make one for you. I'll link both videos and the L-shaped sofa lounge we have inside the gazebo. I'll link it at the end of the video as well as down below in the drop down description box below this video. As you can see here, we are getting the patio and the gazebo ready to decorate. We have already had the lights up since last year. They stayed up all winter long, and we're in the Midwest, so yeah. You've got the snow, the wind, the rain, all that stuff. We have all 4 seasons, so it made it through. We also have the fan up, as you just saw, and we connected that. I'll put where you can get that from down below in the drop down description box. We are putting the netting and the curtains up, and with 2 people it goes really fast. So here we are getting the sofa lounge back together. It was just covered up over the winter time as well, and it sat right here on the patio, so that was awesome. We didn't have to have a big storage unit or anything to put it in, but this storage does sit right beside the patio, and it fits all the stuff, all the decor and other things that we want. It fits right in here. I'll try to show a picture a little later on for a daytime view. And these are just some of the items that I had in the storage unit over to the side. Time for a little cleanup. As you saw, we've already blown the patio off with the leaf blower, but it was just one spot where the lounge actually sat that had some dirt up under it. So you just take some Dawn, which I did, a little bit of water, and I just scrubbed it up real quick and rinsed it off. Now everything is basically in place, and it's just time to get some decoration going, set the atmosphere. As you'll see as the video goes along, the theme and the vibe will be relaxation, because I do not like mosquitoes and bugs and all of those things. That's why we got an enclosed gazebo. And because I don't like the little critters, but I wanted to be outside, we are outside but not outdoors. So it's kind of like a homey sitting area, but I can do my exercises back here, read, scroll on my laptop, work, and all sorts of things. So anyway, a lot of the decor came from Amazon. It also came from a store that was going out of business. It was a store called Old Time Pottery. It's a lot like At Home. And you guys, they were giving away stuff. I won't say giving away, of course you had to purchase it, but like 50 and 75% off. I really racked up, so I was so happy about that. You can also get things from other big box stores, discount stores. I got a few items from Dollar General, the Dollar Tree, just a variation of places, Walmart, and you can go anywhere you see your color scheme coming together and making it work for you. I'll put the links below in the drop down description box of where I got a lot of these things from. Like I said, the Amazon things, I'll put that down below. I got some of the pillows and the inserts, and also this blanket, y'all. I know you say it's summertime, Tracie, why you got that blanket out there? But our weather goes up and down and all around here in the Midwest. So I like to have a blanket already on hand for those chilly evenings when it's like in the 60s. So this is the fall decor that I had from the fall last year, and I'm going to be switching that out for some of the spring and summer decor you'll see here in a few minutes. I have this stool here that I got from the Dollar Tree, y'all. Matches the decor perfectly, but yeah, I was so shocked at the Dollar Tree. $5. I have it to sit my fan on because, like I said, our weather's all over the place and it gets in the 90s here as well. So this fan, I sit it over here, I angle it up towards the ceiling fan, and then that takes more air around the tent, because even though this is shade up under here, it's still hot. So this brings in a nice amount of air. So I thought that little system up, and it works pretty well for us. A lot of the decor you see here, of course, I told you some of the places that I got it from, but the prices that I got it from. If you want to see the prices that I paid for these, you can watch the fall video, and I'll attach it right up here to the right, the top of your screen. And you can go and you can see how much I, paid for everything and where I got it from. And of course, not every single piece that's in the video will be available to you, but you'll be getting things anyway that go along with your taste and things that you love. In the comment section down below, put what themes and what vibe you like. I went for a bohemian kind of eclectic mix, if you will. There's many different ways you can go: traditional, minimalist, French country, English cottage, to modern or bold, or maximalism. Take your pick, but just do you. Mix up your decor, but whatever you choose, make sure that you love your space. If you have a large patio, a small deck, a little apartment balcony, or an itty bitty backyard, decorate your space outside so you'll love to be outside and get a good dose of fresh air and natural vitamin D from the sun in your own yard or area. Because being outside does wonders for your mental well-being. And believe it or not, being indoors can be filled with toxic air quality if you don't change those air filters. But anywho, that's a whole other subject. All right, Tracie's Place fam, so here is the final look. It turned out beautifully. It's very relaxing back here. The vibe is, I won't say beachy, but it is cozy, casual. I'll say that. And I love the colors. It's calming to me, and I love that. I'm sure my husband's going to love it when he gets home and he sees the final reveal. So if you all remember, in fall, the colors were black, browns, a little orange, and a little bit of green. So I changed it up for the summertime, of course, because we didn't do it for spring. We just got it done. It is July the 2nd, and we're just now getting it finished. We've been traveling and busy and everything, but it's never too late. So it was rainy and cool and stuff like that before, so it's perfect timing. We have these lights around the perimeter of the gazebo, and we have ours up and not hanging because sometimes we have storms and different stuff. So I wanted them up and out of the way. They give nice cozy light in the evening. And then there's a light on the fan, and the fan has 6 speeds. So over here in this corner, we have this lantern, which I absolutely love. It's run by solar lights. Sometimes it can get knocked over if the winds are gusting. So I have since I did this video, I put stones in the bottom, and it makes it look even better. But little small stones in the bottom, and then it doesn't fall over. The plant, I got that from Old Town Pottery, and then in those little buckets are fairy lights. And at nighttime, the lights shine through, and it looks so pretty in the evening. A little bit further over in the next corner, we have our little picnic table, if you will. You can put an umbrella right in the middle. It has a hole for that. And it's a little tight over there, so we're not sure if we're going to leave it there or not. But it's the perfect place. We just have to kind of scooch it a little bit. But anyway, here's a little decor piece here with plants and a little ball, and then the chair. That's my chair there. I love that chair, but I'm usually on the sofa like I am now editing. I love this over here. I just think this is so cute. It's a little lantern there, a pretty beachy type plant. I don't know what you would call this, but I loved it when I saw it. I had to have it for the gazebo. And then I got these little crates at Walmart. I think they were like $2 and something. And then just find some decor. This here is a garbage can, y'all. I just turned it upside down and put a candle on it. And then I ended up putting the candle up under the garbage can. And it looks just as cute because you can see right through it. Over here in the corner is my husband's chair. This is the chair that he picked out, and it has a decorative pillow in it, and then there's a side table in between the chair and the sofa with a lantern in front. I love this lantern. I fell in love with it when I saw it. It just has 3 little candles, and then there's a plant there also. And I absolutely love the way you can see around the gazebo. You can see the garden over where the pool usually sits. I may put it up in a few weeks. I'm not sure. It's just so late in the season. But it just feels like I'm outside. And I love that feeling. I can feel the breeze, I can see the sun. I step out and I can feel the sun, or get in a certain spot and feel the sun. But love this couch, y'all. Oh my goodness. I love the little lounge on the end here. And you can put this part of the sofa on the other side. So like right now it's on the right side, but you can put it on the left side. You just move it over, it detaches. So I love that. And this is the little coffee table or ottoman, and when you lift it up, it's a little zipper. You can barely see it, but it zips. So there's the storage, whatever you put in there, it's encased so it doesn't get dusty or anything like that. So I'll probably end up putting the blanket in there eventually, you know, when I'm not using it. But I love the way it looks on the couch. So, and it's so soft, so soft. And I got that little tray table, I think at Burlington's, and the candle, all the decor. Like I said, go to the fall video, you can see we know where I got everything. That's my little cilantro plant over there. It's doing okay. And here are the herbs in the garden. I can look out and see that, and it just feels so good to be right next to nature. I have some rosemary, lavender, sweet mint, basil, peppers, lemon thyme, and they're growing good. We have some peppers, chives, some turmeric, and there's some strawberries growing there. So little container garden's going good. And I was telling you about our storage bin. Please excuse it. We haven't dusted him down yet, but it holds a lot. And see, it's super clean on the inside. So we've had this a whole year, and this is where some of the stuff was in here too. But it is super clean. Nothing gets inside. You can keep everything all nice and secure over the winter time. Anything you want to put in there. So I'll leave a link below so that you can get one of these too. Alright guys, so this is what it looks like at nighttime with the ceiling fan light out. So I'll take you around just a little bit. And I can also, of course, turn the light bulbs out, the string lights out. And it'll look very nice, cozy, and romantic back here. You can close the outer curtains all the way or leave them partially parted. Just depends on how you want it to feel. Here's the little fairy lights lit up. And then the lantern also. Over here. And over here. So I just have a little candle burning right there, a citronella candle. And I have tea lights over here in the lantern. But this is nice, cozy lighting for a movie night. So nice. Okay, I have a confession to make. So of course you all know I used to do the flowers and all that stuff. We do gardening and all that good stuff, and I used to have the petunias and my live flowers and all that. But now, y'all, I don't have time, so I use faux flowers. So no more getting up and watering and trimming and all that stuff. The garden is enough, plus the body butter business and other things that I have to do. And y'all, they look nice. I really like them. So I'll leave the link down below too, just in case you're busy or don't have a green thumb, but you want something pretty in your yard too. All right, I'm done. That's it. I hope you enjoyed the tour of the summertime gazebo, and the links for everything will be down in the description box below this video. Also, look at these videos right here. These are the ones I was telling you about. Watch those too. And you guys, I'll see you next time. And remember, find somewhere to make a little happy place of your own.